What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to show you how to connect your phone to a Hyundai Ioniq 5 using Bluetooth. We're going to be demonstrating this on a 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5 in this video. And I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. The first thing we want to do is go into your phone's settings, open the Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now if we take a look at our radio screen, if you're not already on this screen, you're going to want to get to it. So if you're on a different screen, you can click the home button up there, and it'll bring you here, and then just swipe over. From here, we'll click phone. Once it brings us to this screen, we'll click add.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
And as you may have heard her saying there, what you need to do is find Ioniq 5 under the available. Go ahead and click that. And then make sure that this pin number here matches the pin number on the screen. Ours does. So we'll click pair. And now we're connected. This is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. But that's it. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.